Welcome to Free Forex Education. I'm going to be your host, Christopher Mills, and we're going to talk through the website, the educational material, the signal service, the chat room, the quick hit videos, and some of the extra features that the Free Forex Education website offers to you, whether you're a beginner trader, whether you're an experienced trader. This is an all-round hub, a place to be with like-minded people to talk about trade setups, to learn or to pass your experience on to maybe less experienced traders. So, Free Forex Education. The URL is freeforexeducation.co.uk, and you'll be taken to the home screen just here, where it talks about what you'll get once you actually register. So you get free access to the chat system, multiple live trade examples, webinars, free strategies. On the educational side, we have live trade signals that's sent out. They're sent out in either video format or a screenshot. Majority of them are video format. What that means is that we'll actually talk through the entry reasons for the trade, and those entry reasons will match up exactly with the educational material. When we talk about our strategies, we have very specific rules that we follow within the market, and we will be talking about those in the live trade signals and the analysis that's done. Our trading chat room, we actually have two chats available, one for related Forex, one for non-related Forex. And what you can do is you can go ahead and register now. Registration is free. Just put in your name, your email address, your correct telephone number. We'll send you an authorization code. You put in the authorization code and you'll get started straight away. So what will you actually see? Well, let's log in first of all. Okay guys, I've just logged in using my username and password, and the first thing that you'll be taken to is the Forex Education. And we have a list of education here, starting off from chart pattern cheat sheets and some candlestick formations there and the meanings of them. And then we'll have an introduction to Forex. All of these are done in live video format: Chinese candlesticks, Fibonacci, RSI, talking about higher high, higher close, and lower low, lower close rules, then what a structure hold or a violation is, what a 3-point move is, double tops and double bottoms. This is really the basics of what trading is. And then we move on to things like double tops and double bottoms, back patterns, Gartley patterns, cipher patterns, flag patterns, triangles, wedge, alternate flag, low and high and tight flag, rising and falling channels, ABCD patterns, head and shoulders. We're getting on to structure-based trading now, channel rules, and then we have an introduction to trend continuation and 3 different levels that we can get involved with trend continuation: the first chance, second chance, last chance, and then the trend continuation giving you the extra edge. How we underwrite a chart, what 5 range trading is. And for each of these, if we just go on to say flag pattern, you won't actually have just the rules and how we can spot flag patterns in video format. You can see this one's 30 minutes long if I give it a quick play. You have a little introduction there, ATR above the high, and then we're actually then talking about the rules for the actual flag pattern. We have a summary at the end. Not only that, we have multiple live trade examples of winning patterns where we've implemented those rules. So you can actually see how they're applied in the live market. And we have the same for all of these strategies. All of these are strategies with entries, stops and targets rules explained. We have our chat room. So we have right here, we have our main chat where we can post trade ideas. Then we have our non-related chat right here. This actually opens in a separate window, so you have an entire page dedicated to chat. We've got our latest trades, which is where we talk and we actually post our live trades. This is where you'll also get your trade signals, so it'll tell you what the entry date was, the currency pair, the time frame, the strategy, the entry type, the current status, the video, which is again the signal talking you through why we're entering the trade, where stops and targets go. This is whether it won or lost, and then the outcome of the trade. And up here you can see the overall status. So overall, over all the different strategies, we've got a win rate of 85%. You can just go ahead here and select the strategy. Our most profitable strategy is the high and low and tight flag. We bring that over. We've got a win rate here of 80%, or you can select the, if we just go and reset this, we can go ahead and select the just the currency pair, so say the Aussie dollar CAD or the Aussie dollar yen, and you can select the date. You can filter it. You can also filter it down to the time frame, so you can maybe just look at 5 range trades and just see how profitable they were over a period of time. Then we have the quick hit video, which is sent out every morning to subscribed members. Okay, so that's as a minimum that you get here once you register with free Forex Education, and when you upgrade your account there is a lot more benefits that you get as well, guys. Okay, so that's as a minimum. Registration is absolutely free, so as a minimum, register, come and use the chat forum, learn how we trade, see if it's something you like. We are structure-based traders, so we will teach you how to trade based off structure. And we have definitive rules and strategies that we teach within the platform and within the educational material.